Well, the wait is over. The anticipation in and around the country of Nepal, and particularly here in the Kathmandu Valley, has been nothing short of exceptional. And that's just wonderful and historic Trinidad University International Cricket Ground. For day number one, nothing short of exceptional. And that's just wonderful and historic Trinidad.
I have the star pass to my left. Captain of Biratnagar Kings, Sandeep Lamichhane. Captain of Janakpur Bolts, Anil Kumar Shah. And to adjudicate the flip of the coin, and that's like me, Mohammad Shafiq. Holding Biratnagar Kings, Sandeep get the coin to flip. Heads is the call. Heads it is. Anil, you win the toss. What have you decided and why?
Because the wicket looks this, and we don't know how he's going to play. So we are going to see that unfortunately what is going to be the score, and we'll assess it.
Let's get a look at the two-star lineup. Each side is entitled to play 4 overseas players, and both have gone with all 4. I'm delighted to introduce and welcome HD Akmal alongside me. HD, firstly I want to welcome Namaste to Nepal. Great to have you with me. Comes up to top edge, the first runs of the tournament. Very nearly going to be a maximum. It'll be 1 bounce and 4. Not where he intended it, but we are up and underway with the first boundary. Into the leg side. It'll just be a single despite the roars of the crowd. Our third umpire, BJ Shawari as well. And there's a fever pitch coming, and the reason for that. Immediately he strikes. It's the first wicket. And it goes to Banshi's trademark celebration. 2 fingers pointed to the sky, and she says, "That's out."
But you just have a little, because the surface is a little bit on the slow side. It's dry. And it just goes like these through the stroke. And Rajbanji has the first one.
That's not hit the ball at Chris Gale HD. That's wear sunglasses when he's batting.
Richie Richardson did many years ago. Just not a bad shot.
National team, 88 skippers. This one's steered away behind point. It'll just be a single.
I haven't seen a lot of it.
Well, HD, you know my badgery for cricket. You're always on the money. That's your way of nuts. In that way,
And I still have it. I mean, I'm apologizing for not bringing it with me, but there's a very good reason why. Is I'm in the process of building a new home in
that's much more like it. And that gets the biggest roar of the day thus far. 1 bounce, 4. And up to almost a punch of gloves in relief. 4 ball, 19 for 1. To the outside. So that's 64 metres out there, and yes, we counter back for a couple. Tends to be nicely played. Not where he intended, as to get it over his left shoulder. It goes over his right. 4 more. 5 have been bowled. 27 for him. And the surface suddenly giving on it, but he gets some base on it and finds the gap as well. Gapel has been quiet. But he decided to break the shackles just the right time to say hello and good afternoon to Sri Lanka as well.
Hello, Raquel. He got the hang of the pace of the wicket and put it away. Beautifully. He's taking his time, Martin. 13 or 15 is looking dangerous.
He shipped the smile in the air, and that goes just over me done. He gets some fingers on it in hand and drops the base, not really, and that fiddles away as well.
Very controversial. He's done a very good job. Just chipped. Almost should have had his heart in his mouth. Just was able to clear it on.
There again. Looks to go big. In the gap. And they'll come back for the second. This is turning out to be the best and the most productive over here for the Biratnagar Kings.
This one's played towards covers. Has plenty of that away to race away for a four. The 50 comes up as well to Biratnagar Kings searching the boundary.
Yeah, there's spin from both ends, which is very interesting.
This could be close. The finger goes up. Mountain strikes. India has to depart. And this is a big break as well. That was straight. And that was hitting.
And he tried the conventional sweep. He usually sweeps with the wrong foot. But this time was quite conventional. The umpire had the conviction to give him out. And yes, his innings comes to an end. Didn't seem very happy with the decision though. But he's got to go 15 of 18. It's 53 for 2 after 8.2.
Look at that for a delivery. That leaped on the edge. They believe there's something on the way to the slip.
50 from here. That'll depend a lot on Guptill playing shots like that. And the shot, and he took full toll, Martin Guptill. Yeah, the off spinner is a good matchup for him. Can he take him off?
And that's got the leading edge as well. That one of it was blood and boundary. Not good for the fielder. Gives up the chase.
That would be a very good taker there. I think 160 and 70 is a big ask. And this, of course, Jankpur gets going. Now Curtin finds the boundary.
Cleans it up. The battle of the Canadians. Harsh smiles and gives him a pat on the back. He gets the better of his national team captain. Danny Brain, is this the moment? Oh, yes it is, the first maximum. Oh dear, now, it's going to be 5 freebies. You just wonder, will Derry Lapsy then he'll look at Vinay Kumar Jan and say, almost is it going to be a no ball as well? This goes up. Is this going to be a chance? Long on. I think it's the captain. Nestles underneath it. And he holds on. And Ilsa's heart was in his mouth for a moment there. Most of the senior sides becoming back to fully established member this year are very good fielders, but this was, well, more than a little dicey and ropey to say the least.
And what on earth we get now? And the first to go, oh, he's gone. He's trying to go big on the leg side. He didn't know where the ball was.
This is close again. And yes, it's another wicket. Each time he's been introduced into the attack, Lahiru Milantha has struck. He struck with a very first delivery in the first ball. Oh, he's got plenty of battle this one. Oh, what a catch. Oh, wonderfully done. This man's just 6 of the innings. Throughout the Jankpur region, Lamichane says, let me do this. He's warm and welcoming people as well. Yeah, he's giving everything at it, and he finds the fielder covers. This time Lamichane is unsuccessful in clearing.
One of his points about the ball is after looking to field guys.
Look at that for the delivery. Cleaned up. Another wicket. He's an active wicket now. Kishore is turning it on in the middle. And Janakpur Bolts are just landing blows in the middle. This is on the fourth. And he's found the gap as well. Yes.
He didn't get a hand to it.
This one's alien yet again. Looks straightforward. Should be taken. It is. And that wraps up proceedings as well for the first innings. Mike with his first wicket. Biratnagar Kings bowled out. Mike with his first wicket. It's been a thorough bowling.
He's a bit wayward occasionally too. That is a horror start. Sprayed down the leg side.
Love their cricket with the Nepalese.
Well, the first one's off the bat. There's going to be bonus runs here. You're not going to believe this. Oh, it's chopped on. Runs, wickets, all happening in the opening over.
2 dot balls, but this time no footwork.
If you're wondering about the demand, And the hype and the craze and the fanaticism for the Nepal Premier League.
That's brilliant, Mr. Knight. He's been through quite a few association motions. He's coached Nepal, he's coached Canada. Only a bit of Ireland.
Number 2, it's kept low. Anilsa tries to play across it. And all of a sudden, number 2, it's kept low. Number 2, it's kept low. Anilsa. And all of a sudden, it's game on here at the TU.
Ball kept it down low. And a brilliantly off stump.
Helped around the corner with the pace of Saul. I think that'll get to the rope.
Just speaking to the groundsman. That's 4. It's down the leg side as well. Was it leg bias or was it off the back? You've got to wait and see. And he's got 6 strips.
In the air. Gets a good piece of it. Not sure if he's going to get enough to get to the rope. Oh, yes, he will. There's another super 4 carried by Enzo 4G. Milantha and down the leg side, and the potential of a maiden from Ikea is ruined by another super 4. We'll get some immediate in-game reaction. Let's get down to Mikhail Vaswami, who's got...
In saying that, you've got to assess conditions, assess the wicket, and play accordingly. So it's always going to be positive and positive. Thanks for the time, boys. Good luck with this very game.
Take a single to Nicholas Kirk. He is ever so quick.
He's a very dangerous customer with the ball. Give me ass. Expecting to ask a few questions. And this one, how I'm going to ask a few questions. George Janakpur in the contest.
Just Spinners came into the island in the middle of the night order, really struggled with taking to you just uses the quick line, the players with the coaching staff. He's tried his very best just to find some sort of rhythm on the surface. Milantha goes on his merry little way. He's tried his very best just to find some sort of rhythm on the surface. Milantha goes on his other side. They'll get 2. So good over again for the base. Includes the 7. 61 for 2. 61 for 2.
Through the kitchen sink and that one. Williams, former captain of Oman. Good use of the speed. A straight forward. Goes the distance as well. That's a very fine strike. That's a sit-out bank 6. Crossing ropes. Create ropes. What a shot.
Showed off doing for me.
Look at that perspective. Look at that forward view. Sublime ease, stand and deliver. Milantha into his 40s, and he's taking Janakpur Bolts home this afternoon.
This is a sunshot. There's a lot of things and then there's a sweeper on the other side.
Courtesy the dealings from Milantha. Thaker is just about to play along and take his time. Andrew used to take quite a few rides for foreigners who are having a chat. And at the moment, Janakpur Bolts complete control of the situation, and they don't want to see our confidence.
Wickets has the legacy of Ravi Khan. His ability to take wickets. Sometimes when he plays for Nepal, he almost looks for them a little bit too much. I think now as captain of the Kings, he know the importance of his 4 overs. Straight down the ground.
There's something about left-handers, isn't there? And Milantha is maybe going to be trumping.
Don't get up to 50 the way he's going. You get great reward down.
That's going to be 4 more. 4 more. Well, this is only going one direction now. The way Milantha's going, even though Mukia's got his trademark smile on, it's another Super 4 powered by NCL 4G, and he's hit plenty of them. 8 altogether now in his innings.
10 boundaries in total, all going to Milantha.
It's such a limping around the crowd. This one swept around the corner. Is protection out there, but can't cut it off. Gets a hand on it, but nearly just paddles it over the rope. Daniel Carell out there, who, bizarrely, we haven't seen ball yet. He's a ball Carries the leg side, going to be at least a couple. And here was pretty well on the end, and got to have tonight.
Definitely.
Goes downtown and smashes into the roof, away and put it back on the position. That's a survivor by 6 to everyone. 14 by 1, stop for 2. Again, moving his way down. This one got things right this afternoon. Bottom up.
For Milantha, and now it is Thaker's turn. Good piece of fielding to beat that man. It's a couple of good shot. Short and wide, hit it up and over point. The Kitan was good, moved around, good commitment. Saved a couple of runs, just delaying the inevitable.
Look at that for a shot. Incomplete control. What a way to put that in front of square. Lahiru Milantha has been the player this afternoon. That's high up in the air. That lands safe. They've only got a single at the moment, and they'll have to settle for one. Poor running over here. For a brief moment, Milantha thought that was crossing the ropes, and the victory moment will be delayed by a couple of deliveries. There it is! Janakpur Bolts finish off in emphatic style, register the first ever win in NPL history, and what a commanding effort is victory, and it puts the Biratnagar Kings winning by 8 wickets and 26 balls to spare. This is a strong win and a cohesive and comprehensive one.